Today, I'm going to show you how to add someone on Telegram by username, step by step, in the fastest way possible. This is a super useful method when you already know a person's Telegram handle and want to find them quickly without scrolling through contacts or trying to search by phone number. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Once you're inside Telegram, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This search bar is what you'll use to find people by username, so tap or click it to activate it. Now type the person's Telegram username into the search bar. You can enter it with the @ symbol, like @username, or just type the username without the symbol. Telegram will start showing matching results as you type, so make sure you spell it correctly. If the username is entered wrong, you may not see the right person, or you might see unrelated accounts instead. After that, take a moment to look through the search results carefully. Telegram may show usernames, channels, groups, or even bots that match part of what you typed, so you want to select the correct user profile. Check the name, profile photo, and username if it appears, so you know you're opening the right account. Once you find the correct person, click or tap their profile. This will open the chat preview or their conversation window. From there, select Send Message to open the chat fully and start messaging them. At that point, you've successfully found and added someone on Telegram by username, and you can begin chatting right away. If you were trying to connect with someone and couldn't find them, double-check that their username is exact, because Telegram usernames are case-sensitive in practice only by spelling, not by capitalization. That means the letters need to be right, but you don't need to worry about uppercase or lowercase. Also, if nothing appears, the user may not have a public username set up. And that's all there is to it. In just a few taps, you can add someone on Telegram by username and start a conversation instantly. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Telegram tips and app guides.